Hi everyone, welcome to Approved Automotive. My name's Abby.
And my name is Barbie.
And we're going to show you how Approved Automotive looks today. It grew from nothing just 3 years ago, and now we're about to expand into our third building, which will bring us to 120,000 square foot, including the showroom just behind us, detailing behind that, and our new expansion facility. The expansion facility is now about to literally be finished. So we are gonna put things into perspective of how much space we have. You ready?
So exciting!
Let's go! So it's a bit sunny, but we're gonna walk down the side of the building just to kind of give you an idea of how our facility is laid out. We currently have around 250 to 300 cars on site, and it's not great because they're scattered outside whilst we're waiting for the new building to open, but we're very honest and that's why we're building it. So just inside this way, you've kind of got the showroom expansion itself. So you've got also the current showroom in there. Just going to show you through the door. This way. This is our current space, but we need more.
Yalla!
Then you've got Approved Detailing, which doesn't look like much from this angle, but you have to see inside that as well. And then we're going to go for a ride in the truck.
Whoop, whoop.
Let's get in. I hope the key's inside. They told me it was. I want to add, I've never driven our truck before, so this is an experience for me as well. But let's go. Bye! Catch you inside! So we just drove past kind of our small workshop area. If you didn't know, we actually do have full inspections and also cosmetic and mechanical preparation before the cars go in our showroom. But we have an expansion because we've built a paint booth just to do some smaller bits ourselves. So let's go and see if we can actually get up the ramp here. So, I think this is the first time we are driving inside the facility, any of us, which is mega exciting. And where we've just driven into now is the kind of extra showroom space. And then this area up here is going to be very secretive because it is going to be our storage facility. So there's a few little things about at the moment. Let me try and turn around. Guys, say hi! So the guys are just working on the skylights up there, and lucky we know some good detailers who can help with that for sure. And then what you can see there is some offices and a small lounge as well, which will be very nice because you can access the storage through here, because most of the time the storage facility will be closed and locked down because of course it can be a very private affair to be having your car stored away somewhere in a facility. So we wanted to bring in our very own approved truck to give a perspective of just how big it is in here. What do you think?
It's huge. I mean, I'm amazed. I feel like I'm in an airport car park.
And just where the guys are doing some small things already, you've got AJ over there with some of our kits that we use. And then you've got the queers over there. Say hi, guys. You like the place? Give a thumbs up if you like the place. Love it. So of course it's totally empty at the moment, but you're soon gonna be able to see over the next few weeks us building it up, putting the furniture in, and it's just such an exciting time. We're also gonna be holding a nice little launch event to do that as well. So yeah, but we hope you guys like it, and we hope you guys continue to follow the progress, and if you're in Dubai, please come and visit us.
Like, share and subscribe, and be smart and be approved.
Bye!